If I have to summarize our journey with IPV so far, I would say it is quick, thorough, and founder friendly. The things that matter most for entrepreneurs is time, so that we can get back to the business that we are building. When IPV started the evaluation and the due diligence process with us, it was completely distributed because they had a network of individuals who were experts in their own fields. So the due diligence process, understanding what we do, and even interacting with clients was all so quick and so easy for them to accomplish. After this, the commitment, investment process, the legalities was all taken care of with very, very aggressive timelines. So essentially what was discussed, what was promised was delivered without any lag, and it gave me the sense that they respect the entrepreneur's time, which is really great. IPV is not like any other angel network. They are a group of extremely accomplished individuals. So the first thing we see is the subject matter expertise. When we went and conveyed to them what exactly is it that Syuk does, the understanding was very quick. They were able to leverage their network and find out very quickly what we were doing, the gaps we were filling, and so on. So the due diligence process was completely distributed. The best part about IPV's network comes post-investment, when we are able to leverage their network to gain access to markets and to gain active advice, so that we know from industry leaders whether or not we are on the right track. I mean, every day an entrepreneur is looking at hundreds of challenges, right? So what happens with a network like IPV is you have experienced people watching over you and nudging you if necessary in the right direction.